Welcome to ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation's installation guidance videos. This is a series of videos demonstrating how you install insulation correctly. This video shows how to install ROCKWOOL wired mats on a bend. You need the required personal protection, the right tools in good condition, work permit and a clean, dry surface of the equipment you wish to insulate. It is easy to use wired mats for insulating a bend. First, you cut into segments by using a so-called fish template. The number of segments depends on the radius and the thickness of the insulation. For this pipe, the installer uses 3 segments. Allow sufficient space for removing the bolts. When all segments are cut, they are placed on the bend close to each other without gaps. The wired mat is tightened either by using binding wires or by twisting the netting. Stick the binding wire ends into the wool. As a final step, use cladding to protect the insulation against mechanical damage and weather.